So, for my teaching today, I'm actually going to be looking at foundation. Foundation tends to be a makeup that can be quite expensive, but it varies depending on the price. And so I think it's a good idea to have like what the average cost and what about you're going to be paying for the average foundation brand nowadays when you're looking for a good foundation to know if it's a good price or not. So here are the foundation prices. We have Too Faced, Estee Lauder, Clinique, Fenty, NARS, Bare Minerals, Tarte, It Cosmetic, L'Oreal, Maybelline, Dior, Chanel, Laura Mercier, Anastasia Beverly Hills, and Tula, and these are their prices. Now, if we're going to find the average, we need to add all of these numbers together. And when we add up all the costs of the numbers together, we get $616.68. The next thing we're going to do is divide. So we divide the sum $616 dollars and 68 cents by the total 15. And when we divide this, you're going to get 41,105,33333. But of course, we're doing money here, so we need to round that down to 2 cent numbers. So we get $41.11 is about the average of a foundation cost, but of course, that's not always perfect. So, with a 95% confidence interval for the mean, we look at the formula for x minus ZA divided by 2 times the standard divided by n, and x plus ZA divided by 2 times the standard divided by uh, the divided by n square root. First, we're going to do is we're going to look at this problem right here. And so x is going to be $41.11. This is our average. Then z8 squared is going to be z, and then we're going to be looking at 95, which is our interval, divided by 2 equals z0975, and that gets you to 196. And so then we are going to be looking at this problem now at $41.11 plus or minus $1.96. We're not going to finish this just yet, though. We're going to go on to the other section of the equation, which is standard divided by n. So this is your standard deviation, which is 13.3622. I already worked this out, so we already have that standard deviation. And then the n sample size is 15. And so then we have 13.3622 divided by square root 15, and that's going to get you 3.4501. Now we're going to combine this. So you have $41.11 plus or minus 196 times 3.4501. You're going to work out this problem first just to make it simple. And we end up getting, with these two times, you get 6.7621 when you multiply. And then you can do 41.11 plus or minus 6.7621, and that is going to get you 34.34, or for the other side, for plus 47.87. So these are your two in between the 95% confidence. So that's about what you're going to be paying on average between the two is a good price. And that is it. Thank you so much. I hope this was informative.